Hi guys and good morning everybody. It's Wednesday. I'm home. I took some day off, so today I will be daddy at home. Baby's at work now, so I'm home alone with Tyler taking care of the boy. So yeah, when the wife is out, no, the mouse don't dance. Not today. Well, I don't know if I can say that in English, but that's something that we used to say in French. That's a French expression. That's gonna be the French expression for today. So I'm gonna keep it for tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna clean the house, and yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're all doing well, and yeah, catch you guys soon. Oh, let's see how is Tyler. Tyler, ça va? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Hein? De l'eau. Oh, tu bois de l'eau? Oui. Ça va? Ça va. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes? Je regarde Paw Patrol à la télé? Oui. Ok, tu as bien mangé? Oui. Ok, tu dis bonjour? Bonjour.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I'm actually starting the vlog late, but that's okay. I woke up early this morning, made the fan breakfast. I was in such a rush. I made the fan breakfast and went to work. I was at work for like 6 hours. Got back home, got all fresh, and then head back out on the road. Yes, Tyler? Yes, it is a flowers. Bravo! And the fanbam and I are out on the road right now running some errands. We have a bunch of stuff that we want to cover this afternoon, a bunch of errands that we want to get done, so we are trying to get that done right now. So I'm just checking in with you guys. I know Dave told me that he started the vlog this morning, so that's awesome. So hopefully you guys are good. Hopefully you guys have a good day and stay blessed and stay loved, stay positive and stay motivated. It is actually a kids playground, but I think the play place is closed, right? It's closed because I don't see anybody in here. Look through here. Yeah, closed. You get information on how he can go there if I carry him to town one day?
No, I didn't ask.
Can you ask?
Yeah, we asked that. You're gonna tell me exactly what you want.
So we're at this play place that looks really fun. It's like a supervised daycare, but you have to stay with your kid. So you can carry him here for however long, but you have to stay with him so you can play and all that stuff. So we're here. We're getting some papers done for a particular thing for Tyler's school, and then we're gonna head back on the street to get some other things done. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if it's the first time watching the program, so you guys can enjoy all the other vlogs that's left to come and enjoy the rest of this one. I'll catch you guys in a bit. You want to go on the fish? Where's the fish? Where's the fish? Where's the fish? Hold on. You have to hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah. we've been at it. Look at my chocolate face. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. What are you eating? Tell the face what you're eating. Mama always, no, don't touch with your hand like that. You want the other one? Wait, you soon get it. Damn, running errands can be so exhausting sometimes. But we're actually at the post office right now, running, getting some stuff done, and then we're going back out to continue get more stuff done. Jeez, I'm exhausted, and from working early this morning to all of this running around right now, it's a lot, y'all, a lot. They're in H&M trying to do some shopping for Minnie. Paw Patrol clothes? What? For the beach? How much for it? How much for it? How much for it?
10.
So we're gonna try to see if we find some pieces for Thai. So let's do this. Wow! Let Papa help you. What size is it? The paper is in your hand, my love.
24.
Oh no. He take up this shirt and he say, Mama Tyler like shirt.
Another one.
53 for the this. 53 and about 70, 71. This is the most expensive one.
How much for that one? 17.
80. This is 10.
Mama,
You love those? Alright, put them back. We'll decide if we want to take them, okay? He's choosing his own things. Look at him. Which other one you like? Show Mama which other one you like. Which other one you like? You like that one? But that one is too big for you. That one is too big, Pumpkin. We are back. We are back off the road and actually have the oven warming to make some fries for Tyler because it's late for me to make dinner right now. Yes? You want to see all the things that we bought for you? Wait. You love surprises too much. Wait. Okay, let's show the folks all the things we bought you. So we bought Tyler only pants, bottoms really, because he has so many summer tops already. He really don't want any more.
So this is the first one that I bought him, and this one was $17.99. And this one, which I love, which is $9.99. And this one, I also love it. I love colors, so I love choosing different colors. So it's $9.99 too. This one, which I think is kind of stylish, which is $14.99. And this long pants, which is black skinny jeans for $7.99. So those are all the bottoms we bought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 new summer bottoms. He really wanted some summer bottoms, so to add to the ones that we have already.
So these will do for now until I buy him some more. So those are all the things we bought for Ty at H&M. So now I'm going to make us some dinner. It's some leftovers gonna do for me. I really don't know what baby's gonna have. And then Ty is gonna have nuggets and fries, and of course we bought the right fries for the oven. So I'm just gonna throw this into oven right now. So you guys, this is the outcome of dinner. We are dying of hunger, like literally dying of hunger. This is mine. leftover veggies and leftover chicken wings and a thigh. That's Babe, cordon bleu and fries, Tyler fries and nuggets. So dinner for the fam is ready.
Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Ready? Cough. You know the yellow teeth, Finny, good job. I felt something behind me.
Tyler, look, so night night fibs. Don't spread the water on me. Tell Fibs what you're doing.
I'm going to bath.
And then?
Subscribe.
And what you gonna do after bath?
Subscribe.
You going to bed?
Yes.
Okay. Tell Fibs subscribe.
Subscribe.
Comment.
Comment.
Like. Share.
Yeah.
Catch up and keep up.
People.
See you guys tomorrow.
You guess tomorrow.
Hi guys.
It's been a long day.
It's been a super long day. I've been up since 5:30 this morning.
And I'm in vacation and I had to wake up at 6.
Because
Sad.
you were being a nice husband and taking me
Sad.
to work.
Yeah, but that's sad.
Why is that sad?
Because I'm in vacation and I wake up at 6 some things.
But you have to take me to work.
Yeah, but that's sad. I mean, not
So why is
taking
it
you
sad?
to work. Wake up, it's sad.
Well, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? You guys, so that was a super long day. Been up since 5:30 this morning, so you guys know that I'm super tired. And I've been walking the entire afternoon. My feet feel like they're on fire right now. That's so crazy I'm feeling. My entire body. I hope I find the strength to work out tomorrow, but let's see how that's gonna go. Anyway, you guys, we're coming on, of course, to give you guys the expressions to end out today's vlog. And the Jamaican expression for today is gonna be go up. Go up. If you hear a Jamaican says, yo, me a go up a yard, or yo, me a go up there, so go up simple means to go up. Go up. Go up there, so go up there. Go up.
Good down, good down.
No.
Go up.
To go down is down there, so.
Down this.
Right.
So to go up is go up.
To go up mean go up. So
Go.
go up and down there,
So
so.
go up, man.
Don't say go. Say go up.
Go up.
There we go. You get it. Go up.
Go up.
There we go. Good job.
Right.
Yeah. What's the French expression?
The French expression I was talking about it this morning. The French expression for today is tête en l'air.
Okay. I've never
Tête
heard
en
that one
l'air
before.
mean like the head in the air. Mean that somebody that, for example, that forget things. Somebody who is in the moon, or you can say when you
Forgetful
ask.
person.
Yeah, for example, you ask something to Tyler and Tyler don't do it, or Tyler forget it, or you say tu es tête en l'air.
Tête en l'air.
Yeah, tête like head.
In
en-
the ear.
Yeah.
Okay,
tête en l'air.
cool. Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. And if it's your first time to our channel, please don't leave unless you subscribe. We'll appreciate it. And turn on your notification bell, that way you guys don't miss a video Mondays to Fridays and the juiciness on Sundays. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up with the fan bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.